Alright, dispatch. Show me 1041, 108.
Roger, 1 out of 18. Proceed with patrol.
And as you guys can see by the looks of it already, that yes, guys, I do indeed. Hold up. Temporary sounds of a PS4. I don't want my controller dying or anything, or I waste my TV's life. You may be wondering why one side looks more down than the other. That's because I'm still learning how to do handling on these vehicles myself. So when I go to turn left, that's all nice. But when I go to turn right, the car has a little bit of a flipping problem with that. But we're going to be making our way up to Blaine County. I think I should probably change my outfit, but for today's episode, I'm just gonna ignore it. I'm gonna find a dark.
Citizens reporting a person with a firearm in
That's in Mirror Park. We're on up to Blaine County. Make our way up there. Got our little speed radar things on the top of our car. I don't remember how to freaking activate the speed radar, so I'm gonna have to look that up at some point. Now you guys are like, oh, I appreciate the new call outs and stuff. You guys are welcome. Some of you guys are saying, well, you downloaded the boring one. Listen, man, I could have gone without giving you guys more call outs so we can go to more scenes. So you guys are welcome that I got you like 6 to 8 more call outs. Alright. Why is this still on the map? Everything else is gone. I guess they just forgot about it. I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough. Let me open this up and then no. There's the interior. I kinda hid the laptop because we got like that one over there. I got a Monster Energy in the car. There's those. Is that how I've been opening up my thing? Oh, it's E? Oh, shoot. Okay.
Citizens reporting a suspicious vehicle in Sandy Shores.
Show me en route.
10-4, 1 out of 18. Units respond.
Roger that. We're on our way.
Oh, wait. Go to. On scene.
10-4.
Excuse me. Whoa!
Fuck yourself. You moron.
How much bullets you
Clear
need?
code 4. Suspect neutralized. No further units required.
Holy dear God, man. All I want to do is talk, brother, alright? What the heck was that? But I really like E, because it's like quick draw, you know? Even though I have that mod on. Whoa. show me 10-8.
Acknowledged. 1 Adam 18. Proceed to patrol area.
A lot of you guys said to get the EUP menu. I have used it before in the past in my older videos, as you guys know. But yeah, let's get over this quickly. Guys, better not be driving later on, alright? We'll just be doing some patrols while we get some calls. If we see something suspicious or out of hand, we'll respond. I think for episode 100, we'll stream it. Make it like an hour special or something. Oh, there's another car. Show me en route.
Copy that. Moving right now.
Units respond code 2. Assistance required on Route 68 and Grande Sonora Desert. Units respond code 2.
Ma'am?
Copy dispatch, Adam 4 en route.
Ma'am? Are you okay? I'm okay, sir. I was on the way from work and feeling very sleepy. How long have you been sleeping? I think about an hour. I think I'm fine now.
Code 4. No further units required.
Oh.
Holy shit!
Sorry. Nope. It won't let me talk to you, ma'am? 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 Alright, let's go back out. Nope. Nope.
What?
Wait up!
There we go. Oh!
Gift lump. Thanks.
Megan Clegg? Oh! Well, anyway, let's also guys. Alright, ma'am, I'm gonna test you.
Appreciate it.
Was that an inhaler? Okay, ma'am.
You're under arrest,
You're
you
under
piece of
arrest,
crap.
ma'am. What are you yelling, man? Here's the bat. We're ready, you guys. Dispatch, show me en route with 197, or is it 93? I think it's 197. Back to mission route. Well, guys. Oh, by the way, you may see that this is K9 unit, and I got no K9 dog. I do have a thing for it. Just, you know, testing out the cars for this video. I think I might change them to negative 0.20 instead of negative 0.30 for the right side. Alright. I'll pass the suspect over to another officer. Alright, ma'am. Go inside. Oh, there's an officer. You guys are going the wrong direction. Yeah, but as you can see, like, I don't know if you guys can see it now. Let's get some speed and we'll turn at this motel. Or no, we'll turn right here. See? Okay. Good. Alright. Now I'm gonna show you like this. That's good. It's just really hard to see it. That's why I think I'm gonna put each of them, like the left side on negative 0.15, right side negative 0.25. Oh, show me back 10-8.
Roger that. 1 Adam 18. Proceed to patrol area.
See if anybody's doing any type of drugs on these roads. We got a little phone there. Not bad at graphics. Really not. I think we're going to be using this car pack for a long time. Because I only installed like 3 or 4 car models into this game. And there's like 9, 10, maybe 12. So we have options.
Citizens reporting a civilian shot
Manslaughter.
in
Show me en route.
Aurora Desert.
Roger that. We're on our way.
Units respond code 3.
I'm also going to be adding a siren mod in soon, guys. Right up here. Alright, let's get our pistol out. Sir? Anybody? Are they over this wall by chance? Oh. Hello, are you the caller? Yes, sir, I'm so scared. These fans to me about what happened. I just arrived from the grocery and I saw a girl shoot my neighbor. Did you notice something from the shooter? She drove away with a yellow car and I noted the plate number. Very good. You find the suspect based on your info. Thanks. Okay. Apparently we found it. Let's take my gun out actually because we're gonna need it. Oh. Excuse me. Ma'am. Hey, are you the owner of the yellow Sultan? Yes, that's right, but I haven't seen it since last night. Was it stolen? No, I think my sister took the car without my permission. Why? Someone saw a murderer leaving the scene with your car.
Piece of crap.
Holy crap. So glad I'm a good shot. Holy moly. Jeez. Alright, let's get there. Ma'am? No.
Oh, great.
No, I'm gonna have my gun out. Terms for personal manslaughter.
Gift lump. Thanks.
Dale. Okay.
Hi.
Okay, you match the description. Did it say any of their license were... Hang on, let me ask for all their documents again.
Gift lump. Appreciate it.
Color graphite. Color graphite? Uh-huh. Have you been drinking?
I've been taking female defense
Oh.
classes.
Oh!
Piece of trash.
Ma'am?
You little dick.
Near code 4. Suspect neutralized. No further units required.
Holy moly, dude. My hat, man. Coming back 10-8.
Acknowledged.
Holy crap. Oops, shoot.
Proceed to patrol area.
That was scary, dude. Holy. Why does it turn like that by itself? So weird. Oh, that was sick.
Wow! Hold up!
Oh. Ma'am. Man, let me pay you down real quick. Item found Glock 26, small bag of roofies, debit card in this ped's name. What? Yo, we just randomly stumbled upon a big... Nice inhaler, dog.
Thanks.
Oof. Alright. Let me test you for any type of drugs.
Appreciate it.
Alright. Well, ma'am. I did just find a small...
Come on, you vagrant!
Whoa! Hey!
You little shit.
No. I don't got my baton. Ma'am? Ma'am. My eye for takedown doesn't work?
Dip!
Back up!
Ugh, whatever.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Ugh, whatever.
Ma'am? Ma'am, you can't flee the scene. Are you dying? Ma'am? I only knocked you down. Ma'am? Slide them up and act like this never happened. Alright, let's go. Show me 10-6.
Roger. 1 out of 18.
Why is your car parked like that, sir? Alright, anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.